Good afternoon. We are here to discuss about our Internet of Things project proposal entitled Patient Medicine Device Assistance. It is the easiest and quick way to set up reminders at a specific times to take desired amounts of medicine, pills, and supplements. For our problem statement, Erica Gadapan will discuss this part.
For the problem statement, aged patients tend to forget taking medication for the given schedule. Thus, this requires some notification for their medication to enhance their overall well-being. And for the solution, on the left side on the left side, which is the picture of a medicine box with a light and weight sensor. It is for the determination of medicine consumption prior to the schedule of medication. And next will be it will be connected to a smartphone, which will set as a reminder that monitors the time of medication, which is accessible anytime and anywhere. And this project proposal is intended for geriatric patients which are already forgetful. Next will be the project design, and it will be discussed by Ms. Rania Gadwa.
Good afternoon. The project design of our proposal consists of the transmitter, carries the signal and messages of patient medicine device assistance. You will see here from the analog sensor to transmitter, and from the transmitter to Wi-Fi, and from the Wi-Fi to the receiver or cloud. The analog sensor. Medicine cabinet have an analog sensor, which is as a wireless connection can detect signal to generates the microcontroller. Sensor can be placed on a cabinet and medicine boxes that can monitor the alternate hour of medication. Wi-Fi will send signal to the cloud, which those signal will give notification to the app server. The next slide of our project design consists of illustration of our server. From the transmitter going to the receiver and the Wi-Fi connects to the server, then from the server going to the data analytics, which it will be read by the medicine box. Then the data analytics to the GSM module, then from the GSM module from the mobile app or mobile phone. The next slide is the project uniqueness, which it will be represented by Alessia Garcia.
So for the project uniqueness of our proposal, this application can be friendly and to remind individuals, especially the geriatrics, every time it's time to take their medication or if it is time to go to the doctor. So our proposal consists of simple and clean user interface. It it has history that keeps all medication, and it has medication tracker which tracks taken and missed medicine, pill, and supplement. This application also takes picture of medication to help the geriatrics the correct medication to take. And lastly, it saves all information about appointments like locations, their doctors, the problem, time to remind before appointment, and any other info. So that's it for our project proposal in this subject. Thank you and good day.